In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open your Chevy Captiva Sport key fob so you can replace its internal battery at home. This is a very easy process and it will take you under 5 minutes to do, and the only thing you need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, you can go check out the link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can get this particular battery for just a couple of bucks. And then let's just jump right into it. So down here on the bottom of the device, right along the seam in the plastic, there's a little indentation, a little slot. It can be hard to pick up, but it's just enough space for us to fit a flathead screwdriver into. So find that area, take your flathead screwdriver and just push it in, wiggling a little bit until you feel that it's stuck in there. And once it is, you can just give it a twist and you'll feel this thing start to crack open. From there, you just want to pull it apart with your fingers. Now, this might come out a bit differently for you. Sometimes it just all falls apart. That is fine. We actually want to get to this circuit board anyway, so just set all the pieces to the side and we will put that back together at the end. For now, we can just slide this battery right out. There's a little metal housing here, right there, and you can just kind of pull the battery right out of it. Very easy to do. Now go ahead and dispose of your old battery, take a new CR2032 battery, and when you are putting it in, we want the positive side that has the plus sign and the text on there. We want that facing up. So slide that in, positive side up. Now let's put it all back together. So take the rubber component here and just take the circuit board and drop it in there with the battery facing up. Now you can take what is the front of the device, the one that has the holes in it, and you can drop the rubber with the circuit board right in there, push that down a little bit, and finally just click the back section of plastic on there. Squeeze it all together and you are finished. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or by just giving this video a like. That helps us out a lot. Shows us that we're doing a good job for you, and we always pay attention to that feedback. So just let us know, and then remember, if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back here to this channel. We have tutorials for the devices of pretty much every make or model out there, and you can also get that information directly over at our website, which is fobbattery.com.